Ever wonder why some interviews feel awkward or even cringeworthy? Small behavioral mistakes can make people dislike you without you even realizing it. Today, we're breaking down some key moments, uncovering common charisma mistakes, and learning how you can avoid them in your own life. Let's start with the first mistake, assuming negative intent. In this interview, a simple question is asked. Do you work out? Sounds harmless, right? But the response? Not so much. Is that like a personal attack or something? Do you think I should? Now, maybe this was meant as sarcasm, but sarcasm needs clear signals, like an exaggerated tone or playful body language. Otherwise, it just sounds defensive. Compare that to someone who nails the delivery, the lesson. If you're being sarcastic, make it obvious. Otherwise, people might misinterpret your tone. Mistake number 2, making it about you. Next up, one of the biggest charisma killers, turning every conversation into a chance to talk about yourself. Check out this moment where one person is hyping up their stunt double. My stunt double does all the hard work. I just stand there and look cool. This is a classic charisma move, lifting others up. But watch how the response shifts the spotlight. I did my stunts. I thought that's what everyone did. Ooh, instead of going with the flow, the focus shifts back. The fix? Spread the praise. Charismatic people don't worry about getting credit. It comes naturally when you uplift others. Mistake. The 3, trying to win every joke. Banter should be fun, not a competition, but in this next moment, someone tries too hard to win. I'm the strongest one here. It's just a fact. Other person. Oh, really? A playful jab is met with defensiveness instead of lightheartedness. Compare that to another approach. And guess what? Because they gave credit to someone else, the whole room rallied behind them. Banter is about give and take. If you try to win every joke, it stops being fun. Mistake number 4, deflecting compliments. Last but not least, let's talk about how to handle a compliment. Here's a golden rule. If someone gives you a compliment, don't fight it. Just say thank you. Watch how this person handles it. I like your outfit. Interviewee. Thanks. Perfect response. Now compare that to this moment. You're strong. Interviewee. I'm still stronger than you. Yikes. Even if it's meant as a joke, it makes the moment feel awkward. So remember, take compliments with grace. So what's the big takeaway? If you want to be likable and charismatic, remember these golden rules. 1. Assume positive intent. 2. Spread the praise. 3. Banter, don't battle. 4. Accept compliments with grace. Charisma isn't about being perfect, it's about making people feel good around you. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more, hit that subscribe button. And let us know in the comments what interview moments you want us to analyze next. See you in the next video.